For familiar, you can say, ang pangalan ko ay si Peter. Ang is the case marker for common nouns. In this case, the common noun is the word pangalan. Si is the case marker for proper nouns. In this case, the proper noun is Peter. The polite form response would be, ang pangalan ko po ay si Peter. Again, the honorific po is placed after the noun pangalan. Or, you can respond this way. Ako si Peter. You can also say, ako nga pala si Peter. Or, by the way, I am Peter. The polite form would be, ako po si Peter. Again, we see again the honorific po in the sentence. You can also say, ako nga po pala si Peter. If you are part of a group of 2 or more persons, you can say, ako si Peter, siya si Ann. Or, siya naman si Ann. To be polite, you can say, ako po si Peter, siya po si Ann. Or, siya naman po si Ann.